South Coast Plaza is an international shopping destination only minutes from Southern California's pristine beaches. Create your own shopping experience with an unrivaled collection of over 280 of the world's finest boutiques. Oscar de la Renta, Balenciaga, Christian Dior, Cartier are only a few of the glamorous names that call South Coast Plaza home and offer an inspirational sense of fashion and style. Let South Coast Plaza awaken all your senses. Dine at one of its highly acclaimed restaurants. Soothe your senses with pampering treatments at one of South Coast Plaza's spas and salons. Or take in the theatre, a stage play or concert at the extraordinary Segerstrom Center for the Arts, situated steps away from the excitement of South Coast Plaza. Whether you're looking for sophisticated shopping and dining or pampering and world-class entertainment, South Coast Plaza has it all at your fingertips. South Coast Plaza, where the world comes to shop.